Well, keep an eye on those winds with our CBS 2 action box in the corner of your screen. The city says high winds are to blame for a handful of light poles, including this one, toppling in the last 24 hours. But take a look here. You see something else. Rust. Lots of it. We've exposed the dangers of decaying light poles for years. CBS 2's Tim McNicholas is always investigating. Joins us live from the South Loop, the scene of the latest toppled pole. Tim.
Brad, you will now find a traffic cone in the spot where a light pole stood just about 4 hours ago. It is windy, and the city says that is the reason light poles are falling, but experts we talked to say our light poles should be built to withstand this. City workers cut the pole into pieces so they could haul it away from this busy section of Roosevelt. Luckily, it appears no cars were damaged when it fell. That wasn't the case around 1 this morning at Halstead and Armitage.
Where this is at
Dr. Ronald Wyden runs a dental office at the intersection. His security cameras face the other way, but they did capture the sound of the pole falling.
That's what we think. That was the thud.
He says another pole fell at the same intersection a couple years ago. He's happy no one was hurt then or this morning.
I don't like the idea of having poles fall on cars or anything else. I mean, obviously there's a lot of rusty poles. I think the infrastructure needs to be improved.
The city blames those 2 recent fallen poles and a third one yesterday afternoon in Edgewater on strong winds. Dr. Sammy Tin of the University of Arizona says most Chicago light poles are likely built to withstand winds of at least 100 miles per hour.
One of them fell down when the winds were around 30 miles per hour. Does that sound right to you? Is that supposed to happen that way?
Probably not. I mean, you know, I would imagine that pole had some defects along the base or had a lot of pre-existing corrosion damage at the base.
Indeed, a Google Street View image from 2019 appears to show a rusty base at Halstead and Armitage. And today we captured video of this rusty pole at Clark and Roosevelt before a crew hauled it off in their truck. And we have learned those other light poles we mentioned have now been replaced. We'll keep you posted on when this one will be replaced here on Roosevelt. Reporting live, Tim McNicholas, CBS 2 News.